The UK has a long history in the space sector. We were one of the first nations in the world to launch our own satellite into orbit, and the UK remains a real hotbed of innovation. There are a number of reasons for this. We're seeing an evolution of how people use existing satellite infrastructure, but also how people can adopt and use small satellites and even CubeSats for new commercial services.
We produce software for spacecraft.
Innovative propulsion technologies for spacecraft.
We want to make Earth observation social by making the pixels that matter to individual users available.
We're designing and developing next generation deployable structures for spacecraft.
Super fast data rate communications in space.
We are bringing intuitive big data to the masses.
We're a manufacturer of bespoke circuit and antenna solutions.
We deliver broadband internet services to shipping globally.
Entrepreneur missions are an invention of Innovate UK, developed in partnership with UK Trade and Investment. We take a group of early stage companies, entrepreneurs, and try and join them up with another cluster of similar activity elsewhere in the world, looking for common technological or financial opportunities. This year we're taking a space mission to Utah to the SmallSats conference, a global hotbed of thinking and new ideas for utilising small satellites. We'll then be continuing to California, to Silicon Valley, and integrating into the financial community that has adopted the new space agenda.
The US is obviously the largest market for the space industry.
California is a very large part of the satellite communications world.
It's extremely exciting because we would be able to see if there are other people doing similar things, if there are opportunities to collaborate.
When you look at the amount of investment that's actually available compared to, say, the US, we're almost ordered of magnitudes less than the money that's available. You could argue that's a good thing because it makes you think smarter.
There's some fascinating technologies. They're actually homegrown in the UK. It's almost like they're national secrets. The world needs to know about us.
We help the companies pitch, we help them develop their ideas and their messaging so that they can work as a team to clearly explain to the companies and organisations we're talking to in the United States about what the UK can offer. Now is a really exciting time in the space industry. The so-called New Space Agenda, or Space 2.0, has been wholeheartedly embraced by the UK industrial base, especially the smaller companies. So now is the perfect time to join up all these companies and these great ideas and turn these into great new businesses for the future.